Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting, where we teach you business strategy according to biblical principles. Today, we are going to go over how to fix bad credit fast legally. How to fix bad credit fast the legal way. Let's go. Let's discuss. Let's talk about it. We're going to do some real talk. If you have bad credit, you're not cursed, you're not stuck, and you do not need to do illegal shortcuts. Credit damage can be repaired, but only with strategy and discipline. We teach you strategy, we teach you discipline at BahtKaleb Consulting. We don't have time for anything illegal. We do not do illegal shortcuts and then take people money. Yahweh is first. The Word was made flesh. So let's go ahead and we do our scripture. Proverbs 24:16 says, "For a just man falleth 7 times and riseth up again." Falling is not final, and staying down is optional. So it's up to you if you stay down, because Yahweh says a just man falls 7 times and rise up again. Seven. That means a just man, he's not going to stop. He's not going to quit. You don't want to stay down. So let's go ahead and talk about fixing your credit the legal way. Step one, you want to pull all three of your credit reports. You want to go to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Yes, and you get a free credit report. Ask them. Then you want to review your late payments. You want to review collections. You want to review charge-offs and any inaccuracy. You cannot fix what you haven't examined. So paying someone to fix your credit when you yourself haven't looked at it to see what needs to be fixed, because you can do it yourself. Step two, you want to dispute any inaccuracies legally. If the information is incorrect, dispute it. If it's outdated, dispute it. If it's not yours, dispute it. If it's duplicated, dispute it. Dispute directly with the bureau. So dispute with each bureau. This is legal consumer protection. Do not dispute accurate debts, it's honestly, because integrity matters. Some people will know they did it, know that it's theirs, and then they want to dispute it. You have a lot of people who claim they fix your credit, who will charge you thousands and say, hey, don't worry about it. We know you did it, but we'll go ahead and dispute it for you. And what they do, they just keep sending letters over and over and over and over and tie it up, but it's still on your credit. Stop doing that. Stop. Have some integrity. Step three, you want to bring all accounts current. So whatever is late, bring it current. Nothing raises score faster than stopping the bleeding. So if possible, you want to negotiate payment plans. Hey, you know what? Call the place. Hey, I know I owe you such and such, but let's negotiate payment plan. There's a trick to that. That's legal. Ask for their hardship programs. A lot of credit card companies, a lot of people who you owe money to, car notes, foreclosures, repo, they have hardship programs. So ask about hardship programs. You can also request goodwill adjustments. Just be polite. Be nice and wonderful. Don't call the person carrying on and cursing and having a nasty attitude, because just from my years of being in call center and the service industry, you get more when you're actually nice. If you call and you're just rude and nasty, by the time the call is transferred to me as a customer service supervisor or director or customer service manager, you're getting nothing because you have a nasty attitude. So request goodwill adjustments and be polite about it. Okay? Lenders respond better to humility than hostility. How you calling me, you need something, you want my help, but you're being hostile. No, keep walking. So you want to be humble. Request goodwill adjustments. Trust me, it'll happen. Step four, you want to lower your utilization immediately. Lower your utilization. If your cards are max, even paying them down from 90% to 40% will give your credit score a huge jump. High utilization scream risk. Lower balance build confidence. So lower your utilization quickly. Step five, Add positive activity. If your profile is thin, consider secured credit cards, credit builder loan. You can get a small loan for $500 and use it as a credit builder to help build your credit. Find someone that you trust and have them place you as an authorized user, someone with great credit, someone with good credit. They put you as an authorized user in one of their cards. Hey, that helped boost you. Yes, there are credit companies that say, hey, we'll put you on a. You don't want to do that. Let it be someone you know. Positive activity must outweigh negative history, and it will do it over time. Time heals everything. It takes time. Step six, let time work. Credit repair is not magic. It's not going to happen overnight. Those people telling you to happen overnight, go ahead and give them your money. Go ahead. That's silly. That's foolish. Silly people just, oh, I want it done quick and fast. And the next thing you know, it doesn't happen. Your score jump up a few, and then you get excited. They already got your money. You think they did something, and next thing you know, it's back to where it was. No. Let time work. Credit repair is not magic. Late payment lose impact over time. Collections age, history strengthen. You have to be consistent. Look at the ones that's been there for a while. There's a certain time frame where things on your credit fall off. That's why you need your credit report yourself. You're paying someone hundreds or thousands and they're looking at it and they're doing what you could have done. Oh, this has been there for a while. Yeah, we can get this off. Oh, we're going to negotiate. So if you don't want to do it, then pay somebody else. Well, other than that, you can do it yourself. And I'm not saying that a lot of people out there are not legal. There's a lot of legal credible people out there that will do it. Like we're legal and we'll do it credible. We do it lawful. We do morally, ethically, justly. But there are others out there who promise you overnight success. Do not pay for shady wipe your credit clean services. Research them. Don't file false identity claim. Oh, that wasn't you. Someone stole your identity. Stop it. Don't close old accounts impulsively. Old accounts is paid off, leave it there. It shows your credit history. And don't apply for 10 cards at once. Fast improvement is possible. Instant miracles are scams. If it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. The realistic timeline is going to be 30 to 60 days for disputes to be processed, utilization improvements to be reflected. It's about 30 to 60 days for that. If it's not done, of course, they have to remove it. Those are the nooks and crannies, the other things that you need to learn. For significant recovery, possible with discipline, 3 to 6 months. Now, within a year, your credit should be back on par if you do the things that we just explained in this video. Of course, I can put everything in here, but there's a lot of other legal loopholes to fix it. Credit is a trust score. Trust takes time to rebuild. Bad credit is not a life sentence, it's a behavior report. It shows your behavior. So you just have to correct the behavior and go ahead and correct the mistakes. Talk to the credit bureaus, talk to the creditors, and you can fix it. So, with that said, what is the biggest mistake that hurts your credit right now? What is the biggest mistake that you have made or is making that is hurting your credit right now? Go ahead and comment that, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment that if you need help with it. BahtKaleb Consultant at gmail.com, consultant at BahtKalebConsultant.com, www.BahtKalebConsultant.com. We can help you with that. Glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh, shalom. Grateful for those who will listen, take notes, and better yourself and the nation as a whole. Fix your credit. And if you say, well, I'll just leave the country, credit is international. Just letting you know that.